Alright guys, I'm going to do another pan shot of the boats at Fort Morgan Marina. If you see yours, I'm sorry. You might not want to see it. This is the east side of the building that y'all probably seen pictures of the west side and south, but there's our boat right there, center. On its side, everything is in bad shape. This rusty old building just couldn't handle it. Some nice boats in here. Everything is in. There's not a single boat that doesn't have problems. Maybe one or two that could be slipped out of here, but I would say 99% of these boats are definitely compromised. These are the boats on the east side. If you're one of the smart few that had your boat outside, good for you. Ours was inside in this fancy building. But yeah, this building just went down like dominoes. These purlings are rusted, been here forever. You know, it is what it is. I'll let me walk back through and do an inside shot. I appreciate it, Hurricane Sally. Every boat, every single boat. One boat right there, top right above the tri-tune that might could be plucked out of there, but I doubt anybody's gonna have any care trying to get these things out of here. The docks are trashed. Building looks like it's in decent shape, but let me walk back inside real quick. Hopefully this thing won't collapse on me. If it collapses on me, I'll catch some snapper for me in October. Looks like the Tacky Jacks building fared all right, but man, I hate it for these boats. Forklift is holding up some of it. The mast on the forklift is up pretty high, but I'm on do one more pan. And again, guys, I'm sorry. We can get out of here kind of quickly. A little hairy in here. Another boat might get saved. Some of the ones on the top, man, you might could pluck them out of there. T-tops might have some damage. Second row and down, no way. That one, the roof's resting on the T-top on that one. First and second row, yeah, you got problems. Here's the other side. Some of them would, man, with some care. Some of them might could be snuck out of here and with some T-top damage. Others are just, I don't know. Well, that's it, fellas. You get the idea.